Hey there, Kel here from the Productivity Hub. I've been around this high level space now since 2019, and I've tried all the big boys as far as getting support is concerned and getting the 24-hour and the onboarding support. And while they've done a good job, they have not done it the way in which, in some respects, that I like it, or we would like our own stuff done. Working with our own clients, you have to put a level of trust into people, and sometimes things don't go quite right. I tried even actually starting my own service myself. I've got a big VA team and started doing the 24-hour service and just become bogged down in getting that side of things sorted out. And then I come across Dakota and his team at agency support. Wow, what an amazing difference. These guys absolutely rock. Every problem that I could probably think about having the experience of trying all the other services, Dakota and his team just nail it. Like, the onboarding is probably my most favorite part. Now, it's easy enough to get a support system and doing 24-hour support, which obviously these guys do extremely fast. They're 30 to 40-second response times. Is mind-blowing. But the onboarding is really where it's at for me. They've got a 4-session training, one-on-one sessions with each one of our clients. And as a sub-account, and to make them stick, they need to know how to use this damn beast. And HighLevel is a beast. These guys make it simple. And the feedback that I consistently get from clients is, wow, unbelievable service. Support is unbelievable. And particularly now, some people have even gone in and actually done a re-onboarding after doing it in the past and have picked up a couple of different things. So, look, this service, agency support, Dakota, I couldn't say enough about it. Well, Chris, the different people in the team that I'm consistently talking to in Slack when I've got a little bit of a challenge, the support they give me personally, particularly new features come out and how to actually work my way through those. When things go a little bit haywire, when the new updates come through, they are just on the ball, bam, fixed. And nothing is ever a problem. So couldn't say enough about these guys. They are flipping amazing. I could not imagine it getting any better. So get on board. They will make your life a dream, give you the time and freedom that I know you would love.